Hey. So I just got back from my run. We're headed home. We've got a great unboxing for you today. That's a surprise though. See you at home. This is my dad. So we ended up going 50-50 on this drone price-wise. Drones are expensive, so thank you. We ended up going with the Fly More combo. We were gonna end up getting extra batteries anyway. With drones nowadays, the flight time just isn't long enough to go on one battery at a time, and batteries are pretty expensive. So this is just a better deal overall. This is the small case. I'm pretty sure it's in this one. Yeah, there it is.
Nice.
Very nice.
That's amazing.
Okay, so in the bigger case that the combo pack comes with, got a couple different boxes in here. Okay, so this one's got a bunch of extra propellers, 2 extra sets. And then the controller. This is a big step up from the Phantom controllers. Those things are like huge and mostly just blank plastic. So, so this is nice. It's more compact, more functionality, less surface area. That's for sure.
Where's your phone go?
Your phone goes
Oh, very cool.
right inside here. Yeah, so phone slips in there. Let's actually try that out. Yeah, so your phone fits nicely in there. Pretty secure.
This is awesome how small this is. We got a Phantom 2 about 4 years ago, and we've been using that, since. And this is just incredible how small this is and how much higher quality footage we can get. I can't wait to play with this.
Okay, so downstairs we didn't cover absolutely everything when we unboxed it, so I'm just going to do a quick overview of what's inside the Fly More combo with the Mavic Air. So first, we have this little case and the drone itself. Next, we've got this carrying case. It's really high quality, much higher quality than I expected. Inside that second carrying case, you've got your controller, all important. You've got some charging hardware, some more little odds and ends. You've got your 2 extra batteries. You've got, once again, charging stuff. All this charging stuff. They don't sell you short on that, that's for sure. More of that stuff. Then the case itself. Then you also get 1 full set of propeller guards, 1 for each propeller. You've got 2 sets of spare propellers. Those will come in handy. You've got a massive stack of manuals. Sweet. So all this stuff here is what you get in the Fly More combo. So now let's take a closer look at the drone itself. Okay, so here it is. Tiny little beauty. I am already so impressed with this. I haven't even opened up the wings yet. Let's do that. Don't want to break it. Ah, there we go. Okay, so fully extended, and got our little legs. So there it is. That's what it looks like fully expanded. Now I know everyone does this, but I am curious. Let's compare it to my cell phone. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Oh my. That is ridiculous. Oh, also we've got the, you can take off the cover. Tiny little 4K camera. That is awesome. You know, the fact that we've come this far, this fast is really encouraging. It's really makes me excited for the future. So, as a comparison, I'm going to show you what I've been flying thus far, and that is the Phantom 2 drone. Also from DJI. Except this thing is significantly bigger. It's pretty much the same silhouette, same shape as a Phantom 4, which is much more popular and is much more regarded as a high quality drone. This one is more when DJI was first becoming a commercial consumer drone company. My aunt actually gave this to me, which was so nice. But it's got this gimbal with the GoPro, and GoPro, frankly, is not as high quality as the camera that we see on the Mavic. I've seen comparison videos that you can look up, and those prove that. So it's a comparison of footprint. Let's put that guy there. Yeah, look at that. Quite the big difference. The biggest thing for me is that the Mavic Air, if we can focus, and the Mavic Air has no big legs. The Phantom, on the other hand, has massive legs, so big that you can actually use them as handles to land just by catching the drone, which came in handy when we were stuck in some sticky situations where there wasn't a whole lot of room to land. But the good thing about the Mavic Air is that you don't have to have a whole lot of room to land. Sometimes I'll fly it off of my porch roof outside of my bedroom, and having this giant drone is not always convenient. I'm always afraid I'm going to like hit the side of the house, which would be really bad. With the Mavic Air, it's got the sensors that prevent it from hitting stuff, and that is very, very beneficial. That's a huge plus. I am dying to test this thing out just to experience the full capacity of the Mavic Air, but it's kind of crappy weather outside. It's rainy, and I don't want to be taking risks with it right now. Especially just out of the box, that would not be smart. So tomorrow we're gonna film some videos testing it out. Okay, so I'm editing this video and it's starting to get a little bit longer than I'd like. So what I'm gonna do is make a separate video with all of the awesome footage from our test flight. Today's much sunnier. It's gonna be much better footage. We won't risk hurting the drone or anything. So I will link that right at the end of this video so you'll be able to see that. Full test flight. This was more of the technical stuff, what's in the box, that kind of thing. The next one will be much more, hands-on, up in the technology. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that. Please like and comment on this video. It would mean a lot. And until next time, peace out.